So guys, today, anyone who's followed my Instagram page for all those years will know that I like to do a joint session at Moses Gate in Farnworth. I call it the local session. I know Walkden's my local station, but that's pretty crap for seeing trains really. Moses Gate is pretty decent, so's Farnworth. So, this is the first of these local sessions that I'll be doing on YouTube. So yeah, start off with Moses Gate and then we go to Farnworth. Now arriving, first movement, rather fittingly is the stopping service at Moses Gate. We'll be going on the other one to Farnworth. On a journey that can definitely be seen as pointless. Northern's take on the Stourbridge shuttle. Well, you know, it's not end to end, but it is only like a minute long, so yeah. 152.28 and 151.42. Talk about being caught off guard. Wow. Caught off guard there for a minute. Off now goes 152.28 and 150.142. Sorry about the filming. There is 150.142 on the rear. As you can see, the wires are pretty much up here now, as they are on quite a bit of the line. Off that goes to Wigan North Baston. Yes, guys, XGWR 153. We've got another one coming through as well, but that's not necessarily important. 153.377. 151.30. And as well, 156.427. That, I mean, I can't see two carriages going to Preston. That might be the Buckshaw Parkway service. They are due at the same time. But yeah, 153.377 and 151.30. Yeah, this will be the Preston service. A double 185. 185.112. And on the rear is 185.136. Both of them only off to Preston. Oh, I was just going to say then, is that staying green? Another 156. 429 and 156.464 on the back. Next up now, if this is a Rochdale to Blackburn, this is a bit, oh no, it's got 153 on the back. I was just going to say that's a bit of a disappointment, but no. Oh, another GWR! 153.380. Another XGWR 153. Very nice. And now for the last movement at Moses Gate is going to be the movement that I'm going to be getting on. Another XGWR 150.104. And from Moses Gate, but not the full session, it's sort of a North West train spot 390 out. But not fully. That wasn't a long journey at all. Now, we are here in Farnworth, and Wigan North Western is delayed indefinitely. Genius start. And passing now, it won't be 3 XGWRs in a row. 153316 and 150222, bound for Rochdale. Next up now is a pacer. (142.039). I can't end on that. I cannot end on that. Oh, on its own. 156448. That's twice I've been caught off guard today. And now, another XGWR 150. And I think we'll end that video there. So, not been the biggest of sessions today. But, yeah, tomorrow there'll be another session. But for now, on that note, Northwest Transport 390 out.